In today's tutorial, I'll show you step by step how you can merge and unmerge cells in Excel. One main thing to note is that before you can merge your cells, you need to have values inside the cells. You cannot merge the cells before inputting the values. When you do it like that, it's not going to work. So you make sure that you have your values first, then you go ahead and merge the cells. To merge a cell, click on the Home tab, and then you navigate your mouse to merge and center. So these are the merge options. And when you say merge, it means that you are combining two or more cells into one whole cell. There are a couple of options here. So the merge and center, with merge and center, it joins the cells and then centers the text. And then the merge across, it merges your rows. So it merges rows, okay? And then we have the merge cell. So with this particular options, it joins the cells, but then it keeps the text where it is. Your text is going to be at the same place. With unmerged cells, you can undo your action. So it's like saying you did this, I want to undo that thing. So you can use this particular option. So let's just go ahead and then start illustrating some of these things. The first option that we are going to look at is merge and center. One key thing to note is that when you are merging a cell, like I have here, make sure that you don't have values. So on column A, I have expenses, and then column B, I have budgeted. Make sure that you don't have values in this particular column. And mostly when you want to merge something, it's for headings, all right? So we can input another row here. We're going to insert a row above. So if you have something like this, you can select the cells. With this particular one, you select the cell to where you want the limit to be. I want it to be on column E. So I will go back to the Home tab, then merge and center. I'll select the first one, which is merge and center. It's going to combine the cells and then center your text for you. So you have something like this. Okay, so this is how it's looking. You can see that it has combined all the cells in column A, B, C, D, and E, and it has centered your text for you. The next one we will look at is the merge across. Okay, so let me go ahead and select this. I'm going to select this, and then so you select it like this, and then you merge across. Okay, so this is how it's looking. Let me add a background color so that you can see it properly. So this is how it's looking. It's merging across. So when you want to merge rows, this is how you go about it. The next option is merging cells. So merge cells. Okay, so you're going to select a range of cells over here like this, and then we select merge the cells. Let me add a background color so that you can see. Okay, so this is how you merge cells. Now that you've merged this particular cell, we want to unmerge it. Okay, so when you click on this option, it will unmerge all your cells for you. Okay, so if I should select this again and change the background color, say no fill, we have our cells. It has unmerged them, and we can do the same for this. Unmerge, and I'm going to change the background color to no fill so that you can see no fill. All right, and we have our values here. So that is it